Nagkatensyon naman sa ginawa pa rin pong pagpapatuloy ng pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee kung saan nagkasagutan ang kasulukuyan at ang dating chairperson ng naturang komite. Ito'y may kaugnayan pa rin po sa isyong kung sino ba ang karapat-dapat na maggawing state witness. Report mula kay Mean Corvera.
Don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Nagkainitan at nagkasagutan sina Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson at Senator Rodante Marcoleta ilang minuto pa lang matapos buksan ang ikalimang pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee sa maanomalyang flood control projects. Hinihinga ng paliwanag ni Marcoleta si Lacson sino ba ang dapat na ikonsiderang state witness. Bunsod ito ng isang media interview kay Lacson kung saan tinanong siya kung sino sa mag-asawang Diskaya at Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez ang nararapat na ikonsidera sa witness protection.
Para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa witness protection program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
Pero sagot ni Lacson ang kanyang pahayag ay personal na opinyon na nauwi sa pagtatalo ng dalawang mambabatas.
No, that's my perspective. No, that's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Dahil naging mainit ang diskusyon, pansamantalang sinuspindi ni Lacson ang pagdinig. Pero kahit nakasuspindi ang hearing, hindi tumigil si Marcoleta. Buwelta naman ni Lacson bakit pinoprotektahan ni Marcoleta ang mag-asawang Diskaya.
In the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you so protective of Diskaya? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Nang magpatuloy ang pagdinig, sabi ni Marcoleta, kukwestiyonin niya ang objectivity ng proceedings. Napahupa lang ang galit ni Marcoleta nang lapitan ito ni na Senate President Vicente Soto at Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Pati si Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla kinumpronta ni Marcoleta. Iginit niya na wala sa batas na dapat isauli muna ang mga ill-gotten wealth na umani ninakaw ng sino mga nag-a-apply sa WPP.
And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites.
Pero paliwanag ng kalihim, iniuutos ito ng batas na hindi tinanggap ng senador.
Ang pagbabalik ng pera, yan po inuutos ng korte. Pero para makita natin ang good faith ng isang testigo, isang tanong po yan na binibigay natin sa kanila.
I am very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too, if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I am
country
not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then, it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga hindi ko opinion dito. I am articulating
Then it's your option,
the
sir. It
provision of
is
law.
what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion.
Mean Corvera para sa Mata ng Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.